Hey everybody, Brandon here for Digital Auto. Going to do a showcasing on this 2011 ML 350. Come on, let's do it right now. Okay, here it is, 2011 Mercedes ML 350. As you can see, the exterior has been very well taken care of on this vehicle all the way around. Looks really nice. Garage kept and just very well taken care of. You can see the wheels are in really great condition and everything all the way around. Just really nice vehicle. I'll get inside here and I'll show you the leather seats and everything that this vehicle has in great condition. Doors, everything. All these leather seats have just in great shape. Looking at the dash, has the big screen with the controls there that are easy to get to. Heated seats, dual climate control, dash and everything very well taken care of. It does have right over 100,000 miles on it. Getting in the back seat to show you what it has. It does have rear DVD entertainment, so if you have something in the back seat, kids or anybody who wants to watch something, that's there for you. This is Brandon with Digital Auto on this 2011 Mercedes ML 350. Great vehicle all the way around. I will put a link to the listing in this video unless you're already on our website. Thank you for visiting us. Come get it before it's gone. Thank you.